I'm Tom from the Netherlands. My company's name is Tom's Exclusives. I'm a Zippo collector and I'm going to show you some of my Zippos for my private collection. Come on! Here's the key to my cabinet. Let's see what we got. These are lighters made by Flat Artsmith from Serbia. All hand painted, all beautiful designs. I really love it. And to be honest, Flat is a big inspiration for me too. How you can make not a living, but a paid hobby out of Zippo. Really nice quality, nice teams. I really love them. I wish I could buy them all, but yeah. You can't have everything, I think. And to the right, we've got very nice designs made by Stanley Mouse. Some of those designs were used for album covers, posters for bands like the Grateful Dead, Journey, Steppenwolf, and lots more. Beautiful, colorful designs. Typical 90s Zippos. This is also a very nice set from Indian. It's not as big as Harley, but I really love the brand. And they are all, let me show, made in Canada. So that's cool. I really love the brass commemorative stamp lighters. Behind it, you've got Coupe. It's hot rod art, also from the 90s. Very rare. And very expensive and very desirable. Then we got some very nice Disney lighters. Oh, I forgot to tell that almost every lighter in my collection is unused, in a near mint or a mint condition. So it's very hard to collect stuff like this, especially when you're living in Europe, in the Netherlands. It's very hard to find these old lighters in a mint condition. Luckily I have some friends in the States, and I go once or twice a year to America to how do you say it? A meeting where they offer you a lot of beautiful Zippos. So I'm fortunate. These are lighters from the 90s, made by Gilbert Vanel. They are called Mother of Pearl. They are all handcrafted. They've got a beautiful gloss on it. As you can see, they've got those the pearly shine. I really love them. Here we got some very rare Toledo designs. Most of these designs are made with black and gold. I only kept the very rare ones with green and blue. Really desirable. Down here we got a table lighter for my own brand. Some Christmas theme lighters. A very nice rosewood limited design. Rose art limited design. Oh dang. Here we got two solid copper ones. The nicest ones from the solid copper editions, I think. To commemorate the stamp Zippos from 1982, the first year they produced brass Zippos. So these are very nice. These two were made by David Yellowhorse. Native American living in Arizona. A limited edition. I really love. Is OJ guilty? Or is he innocent? Well, I think he's guilty. But yeah, he didn't fit the glove. So freedom for Mr. OJ. He's dead now. So cool autographs. Bought it from a friend from me from Germany. Yeah, that's cool. More American team Zippos. The rebel flag. The Dixie flag. How do you call it? Confederation flag. This one is cool. It's a German cartoon, I believe. Horizontal design. Not very common. Here we got some cars inspired Zippos. There are hundreds, maybe thousands different designs of car Zippos. I only kept the ones that you won't see very often and who I really like this Ferrari one. I actually got two Ferrari Zippos, original ones. You won't find them very much, almost never. Lamborghini, it's the only one I know, it's the only one I ever saw. Rolls Royce. And we got a very nice crocodile. Red Bull Racing. Let's go to the other cabinets. So we have to first close this one. Yep. Let's go to cabinet number 2. And we got some non-Zippo lighters. I started collecting them those 2 years ago. And yeah, I really love also non-Zippo lighters. Like this one. It's the oldest lighter I have. It's made in 1889 in New York with a Koopman's pet. Very nice. Here we got some Dunhills. Here we got a famous Dunhill. It was used by Sean Connery in James Bond. Not this particular lighter, but he lighted his cigarettes with a Dunhill Broad Boy Mark II. Exactly the same as this one. This is Kawi. So very rare in this condition. With a very beautiful blue lacquer. Yeah, there is a lot to see. A lot of Dupont. A lot of Dunhill. Kashi. Swings. Ibello. And I really love those old non-Zippo lighters. Torrents. Here I created a little corner that's war related. Like this one. It's a very neat 4-barrel black crackle lighter with a US Army emblem on it. This lighter is produced in 1941 and was given away to American and I believe Canadian soldiers. They gave it away in that kind of box. Beautiful. This one I bought together with this one. It says Oran 44. And Oran was a place in Algeria, Africa. So I think those lighters were from the same person who has been a soldier in the Africa campaign. And he painted it in desert colors to, yeah, as a camouflage. Here we got some more black crackle lighters from the 40s. Very nice. Also a lighter from, I believe, even for the 1940s. In a book shape. More lighters. That orange Zippo. That's very cool. Like this Evans. I really love the graphics on it. It really gives away how much time this was made. 40s or 50s, I believe. Really love it. Coney Island. Epic. A nice Ronson set. I could talk about it for hours, but yeah, my English is not that good, and yeah, the video would be too long. This is also very nice. I believe it's from the 20s or the 30s. It's an automatic with a very steampunky look mechanism. Japanese Zippos, originally made by Zippo, but the designs are Japanese. I really love those designs. Like this, look at this. It's also quite hard to collect them, especially when you're living in Europe. So I'm very proud about this part. Look at this one. Spider-Man. Double-sided with mother of pearl eyes. Lovely. What is fridge? Telephone. Robot. I even got one with a clock. Windy. Like I said, I created also lighters myself under brand name Tom's Exclusives. These lighters are mostly made with a copper plate on it, with the hand injected enamel, and sometimes with a UV print, like here. Very sharp. This is the Phobia series. I really enjoy to create these lighters. I'm always very happy with all the people who are buying it and are very happy to receive it. It really gives me a good feeling. And yeah, to be honest, I think they are very nice. I love them. And then to the last part. That's I think the pinnacle of my collection. These lighters are all made from the 40s till the 70s. All these lighters are unused and in the original box. I really love these designs, like this one. It's quite dusty over here, I believe. Yep. So a very rare Marlboro lighter. A loss-proof lighter. This one was made to celebrate the moon landing in '69. The lighter is also from '69. I even got two. Yeah, I really love those lighters. And like I said, it's very hard to get stuff like this to the Netherlands. So these will never be sold when I'm still alive. What you see here in this frame is worth a nice car. Town and Country Store Grumman's. Nipper the dog. Epic. Classic. Lovely. So I think I'm going to finish this video. Campbell Soup, designed by Andy Warhol. My biggest inspiration. And like I said, I'm going to end this video. I want to thank you for watching. Excuse me for my rubbish English. I'm working on it, but yeah, it's very hard for me.